Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is a beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for kids and first-time users. Its foldable design makes it compact and easy to transport, complemented by a carrying case for added convenience. The 1080p HD camera delivers decent video quality for capturing aerial views and streaming live footage to your smartphone via FPV. Key features include voice and gesture control, allowing for a hands-free flying experience. You can command the drone with simple gestures or voice prompts, making it engaging and intuitive for younger users. The optical flow positioning technology ensures stable hovering and smoother flight performance, even for those new to drones. The drone is equipped with one-key takeoff and landing, simplifying its operation. This feature minimizes the risk of crashing, making it accessible for beginners. Its 360 degrees flip capability adds a fun and dynamic element, ideal for playful exploration. The waypoint fly function allows users to set a predefined path for the drone to follow, adding creativity to the flying experience. Overall, this quadcopter is a blend of functionality and ease of use, tailored to beginners and kids. Its durable design, coupled with practical features like gesture control and waypoint flying, makes it a versatile choice for casual users looking to explore aerial photography and enjoy flying. Number 2. The mini drone with camera 1080p FPV is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for both adults and kids. Its 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens enables users to capture aerial photos and videos with enhanced flexibility. The foldable design enhances portability, making it ideal for travel or outdoor adventures. The drone features stable altitude hold, allowing it to hover steadily for smoother shots and easier control. The gravity control function lets users steer the drone by tilting their smartphone, offering an intuitive and engaging flying experience. The trajectory flight mode adds creative fun, enabling users to draw a path on their phone screen for the drone to follow automatically. Equipped with one-key takeoff and landing, this drone simplifies operation, especially for beginners. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, doubling the flight time and extending the fun. The durable build ensures it can withstand minor crashes, making it suitable for both kids and adults. Overall, the mini drone is an excellent choice for those seeking a beginner-friendly, feature-packed quadcopter. With its adjustable camera, stable flight modes, and user-friendly controls, it's perfect for capturing memorable moments and enjoying the thrill of flying. Number 3. The drone with camera features a 2K FPV camera, offering high-definition video and photo capture for an enhanced aerial photography experience. Designed for both kids and beginners, this foldable mini drone is easy to carry and store, making it a great choice for on-the-go flying. The brushless motor ensures smooth, quieter flights and improved durability, reducing wear and tear compared to traditional motors. Equipped with altitude hold, the drone maintains a stable hover, allowing for precise shots and easier control. The gesture selfie feature enables users to take photos with hand gestures, making it convenient for capturing moments without needing a controller. One-key takeoff and landing simplify the operation, ensuring safe and easy flights for beginners. The drone also offers 3D flips, adding excitement to the flying experience with dynamic aerial stunts. The waypoint fly mode allows users to set a flight path, enabling the drone to fly autonomously along a predetermined route, making it ideal for capturing scenic footage. With 2 batteries included, users can enjoy extended flight time, doubling the fun and exploration. The drone's design and features are tailored for easy use, providing a balance of fun, functionality, and safety. Whether for capturing photos, flying for fun, or learning the basics of drone operation, this mini drone offers an engaging and beginner-friendly experience. Number 4. The drone with 1080p camera is an ideal quadcopter for beginners and kids, offering a fun and user-friendly flying experience. It features a 1080p camera, allowing for clear aerial photography and video recording. The foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry, while the inclusion of 2 batteries extends flight time, ensuring more fun with each session. The drone is equipped with voice control, enabling users to issue commands hands-free, enhancing the interactive experience. Gesture selfie functionality lets users take pictures simply by posing with their hands, making it easy to capture moments without needing to touch the controller. Altitude hold ensures the drone hovers steadily at a set height, offering smoother flights and better control for beginners. With one key start and landing, the drone simplifies takeoff and landing, reducing the likelihood of crashes and making it accessible for new users. The drone also offers 3D flips, adding an element of fun and excitement by allowing the drone to perform aerial stunts. This toy drone is specifically designed for boys and girls, combining entertainment with learning opportunities for young users. Its durable construction is built to withstand minor bumps and crashes, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Overall, this drone is a great choice for those looking for a beginner-friendly, feature-packed drone. With its camera, intuitive controls, and engaging features like voice control, gesture selfies, and 3D flips, it provides an enjoyable and educational flying experience for both kids and beginners. Number 5. The mini drone with camera is a compact and user-friendly quadcopter designed for both beginners and adults. It features a 1080p HD camera for high-quality aerial photos and videos, perfect for capturing memorable moments. The camera also boasts a 90 degrees adjustable lens, giving users the flexibility to change the camera angle for various perspectives. Its foldable design makes the drone highly portable, and it comes with a carrying case for easy storage and transport. The drone includes 2 batteries, doubling the flight time and extending the fun. With one key takeoff and landing, it simplifies the flying process, making it easy for beginners to operate without the risk of crashes. The altitude hold feature ensures stable hovering, allowing for smoother flight and better control. The drone also offers a 360 degrees flip function, adding a playful and dynamic element to the flying experience with aerial tricks. This feature is ideal for those looking to perform fun stunts and show off their drone skills. Perfect as a toy gift, this mini drone is an excellent choice for both kids and adults interested in exploring drone flying. Its easy-to-use controls, stable flight modes, and fun features make it a great introduction to the world of drones for beginners. Whether for casual flying or capturing footage, this drone combines practicality with entertainment, offering a well-rounded flying experience.